We're here with the LB7 today. Just recently crashed it. So I'm going to show you what I'm up to here. I took the old belt off just to get it home. Got everything spinning freely, just in case it was running. I took off any extra parts that were damaged in the crash. A, because I didn't want it all over the road, and B, I wanted to clear up some space up here. Now, I'm about 7 hours from home, so I can't really drive it back like this, even though I thought about it. Got the TCM just flapping here. This battery's caved in. Fuse box is pried up where it shouldn't. And then the night I got it back, I actually pulled the rad support forward. We just cranked it. We tied a tow strap right here, pulled it forward. That way it would release some of this pressure here. We can get the hood open more. I don't really want to get under it right now because I don't want to get covered in snow, but we don't have any leaks. That's weird. It's like a touch right there and the signal comes off. Right. So anyway, what I'm going to do, I just want to test the integrity of the motor. I tried to remove as much as possible just because I don't want anything dangling. So let's fire her up and see where we're at, boys. We can't let it run a while, but I just want to see what the gauges are saying. All right. Oh yeah, slow start. I feel like the batteries are gonna die, so I don't want to keep it running. Yeah. Battery not charging. That's because it's not connected. We don't have a money light or anything else, so that's good. Let's take a quick peek. I did check all the fluids. Sounds like it's running. Let's get this thing shut down. Here I start disassembling the vehicle and just start taking off all the broken parts piece by piece. And make sure to drain all your fluids and watch out for sharp parts. So at this point, I just started soldering all the frayed wires, and I started by clipping each individual wire, but I did one at a time to keep it easier. And I started by the most frayed wire, Clipped about a 1/4 inch or 3/8 off each end, soldered, heat shrunk, and now I start using some dielectric grease to plug the ends just to prevent any moisture or water from getting in. Let's see how this thing is going to. So what I'm going to do is figure. This. And the thing on now, like this thing's garbage. This is how it's supposed to be. I had it on there with the clamp. So here we are a couple months later and everything is done now. Installed my LED bar again and wrong grill, different color hood. I couldn't get everything to line up 100%. I guess I should have pulled over at the fender, or I guess at the firewall. Right around here, I should have pulled it that way a bit. This side's a little tight. But since the last video clip, I installed that. So if you guys are interested in seeing the install on that and where I got it from, or if you have any other questions, just go down to the comments and let me know what you think, or if you have questions or thoughts